Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my single Radeon VII profits that I've made in the month of June. So we're going to go through that in this video, as well as, what coin I'm going to mine, and I'm going to talk about some theoreticals and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so currently you guys can see I am mining Ethereum Classic, getting about 90.6 mega hash now. I was getting about 90.1, but recently I just updated the Phoenix Miner from Phoenix Miner, I believe 4.9C to now 5.0E. So there's been a couple updates of Phoenix Miner, and it seems like I'm getting a little bit more hash rate now. So that seems to be pretty nice. Okay, so as you guys know, I have been keeping track of this single Radeon VII now for about a year and I think 2 months now, since April 1st of 2019. So you can see all the videos that I have recorded every single month, keeping track of what coin I'm mining and also how much of the profits are and the prices of the coins, at the time of recording. Okay, so let's go and talk about it now. So you guys can see my spreadsheet here, link in the description below so you guys can see what I'm seeing as well if you are interested. But anyways, I bought this single Radeon VII for $781.26 USD on March 23rd of 2019. And since then, well, actually April 1st, I have been keeping track of what I've been mining with this single Radeon VII. And you guys can see how much I've mined, coin total, the coin mined worth at the time of making the video, as well as the hash rates, power consumption at the wall for the whole rig. Okay, so I'm using an i5 3570K with an ITX motherboard and a single power supply, and as well as my power consumption price, as well as a column here which is mined versus watts, as well as the original price plus electrical used. Okay, so let's begin with June. Okay, June 1st all the way to June 30th of 2020, and as of making this video, Ethereum Classic price is $5.66. So throughout the month of June, I have mined 7.0024 Ethereum Classic, and the total for Ethereum Classic I have is 61.1498 on the Konomi app, which is on there right now. Okay, and then the total coin mine worth, okay, for the whole month as of making this video is $39.63 USD, which is pretty good. This Radeon VII made about $40 in the month of June. Okay, now calculating the hash rate here, I'm getting 90.6 now because I updated the Phoenix Miner. Power consumption is the same. Now the electrical power consumption is $17.36 USD, which I've used for the month of June. And you guys can see my power consumption calculation, which it has gone up in 2020 a little bit, but ultimately my cost per kilowatt hour is roughly between 0.07 and 0.08 USD. So we minus now the profits that we mined as well as the power consumption, and now we will get $21.94 after my electrical cost. And then the final column here, original price of the card plus electrical used throughout the year and 2 months now since we've been mining. So total that we are in the red now is $1,014.62 in the red. I have not sold any of the coins. So yeah, it actually goes along with this page right here. Total mined by my Radeon VII since April 1st of 2019. So these are all of the coins that I've mined with this Radeon VII. And you guys can see here, 0.18 Ethereum, 61 Ethereum Classic so far, 0.8 Monero, 1,356 Callisto, about 60 Vertcoin, and 0.003 Bitcoin. And that was when I was using NiceHash, and that was an interesting time. Not really profitable at that time, but hey, maybe I will do a test like that again another day. But yeah, you guys can see here that NiceHash month was $20.99 profit that I made during that time, December 1st to December 31st. Okay. But the price of Bitcoin was $71.39. So, going along now, the value of the NiceHash BTC is about $28.76 now. Okay, so let's go to the total wallet value at the end of June. So I just talked about the NiceHash BTC plus my Konomi app, which I am mining all the coins to basically, is $486.40 as of recording this video. And then total is now $515.16. Okay, so at the end of June, I have a total of $515.16. If we were to minus out the total of original price plus electrical used, it would be pretty much, I'm about $500 off in terms of breaking even on this single Radeon VII after about a year and 2 months. So we're not there yet, and we're going to get there slowly. It all depends on the market and if the coins that I have bagged right now will go up in the future. Okay, so all these coins that I have right now, there's potential that in the next year, 2 years, who knows, maybe not, it'll go up, or it'll just go massively down and I will never pay off this card or pay off my original price plus electrical used. That would be pretty sad. Okay guys, so let's talk about one theoretical scenario that I could have played with these Radeon 7. What if I just sold at the end of every month? Okay, so you guys can see the profits that I mined, at the end of every month here. I was keeping track of the prices during those times. What if I sold at the end of those months, right? Okay, I just want to do a technical sum here. Let's just do a sum of all of these profits at the end of those days. So total, we have $512.99 for all of the coins. If I sold at the end of every month, but we go to the total wallet value, you can see right now it's about $515.16. Okay, and I have been doing these theoretical scenarios in these videos almost every time, and it's funny to see by doing that back in, I think, at end of January, if I sold at the end of every month, it would have been like $300 or something. But this is when Ethereum Classic went to like $12, so it's like $546, you guys can see. And so it obviously changes every time, the theoretical here. If I sold at the end of every month, if I sold at the highs, it just totally depends when you sell and the fluctuations of the price of the coins. It changes so much. So I just like doing that kind of scenario because it's just interesting for me to see, and hopefully for you guys to see, how much I could have made if I sold it every month. But you guys know I'm just hodling all the coins right now, hoping for like an altcoin season, enough to break even at least, or, make some profit total from this, existing negative price that I have right now. Okay, so finally, I just want to end off, what coin am I going to mine? And so I'm on what to mine right now. I'm going to hit calculate for a single Radeon 7 at about 90.1 mega hash, 220 watts. And let's do my 0.076 per kilowatt hour. Hit calculate. And I should be making about $1.80, $1.70 a day. And then after my electrical cost, it looks like $1.32 on this single Radeon 7. So it's showing that Ethereum or Ethereum Classic to be one of the top coins to mine on my single Radeon 7. So that's pretty good. I'm thinking of just sticking with Ethereum Classic. I think that's the best for me. I have a feeling, Ethereum Classic may do some crazy stuff in the future in terms of price action. And the Ethereum Classic difficulty has actually been going down and down and down. And so actually I forgot to talk about it. I've been getting more and more Ethereum Classic. So we can see in the month of April and the month of May, I was getting 5.8 in April and then 5.2 in May. And then in June, I was getting about 7. So I've garnered like another 1 or 2 Ethereum Classic since last month. I think that's pretty good. So that is to conclude with the drop in difficulty. I think that's what I'm going to contribute it to, as well as network hash rate has been dropping. So people have been mining it less and less. So that means, the existing miners on the network are going to get, a little bit more of the Ethereum, even though the price of Ethereum Classic is down. Okay, you can see the price of Ethereum Classic compared to these other months. It was 7.25 just in the May, but now in June, as I'm making this video, it's 5.66. Well, as of making this video. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about, guys. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna change this Radeon 7 away. It's just gonna keep mining Ethereum Classic. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do these videos every month at around the first of every month, and I enjoy this, and hopefully one day, if altcoin season comes, I can hopefully pay off this card. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.